Okay, so I want to do a little comparison of the Z5 and the Z3's resolution in this video. And I know I went through it kind of roughly last time when I did the review of the Z5, but I know that the resolution difference between the old device and the new device is something that people were interested in. So yeah, I mean, look at this. Both phones have 5.2-inch screen, the same resolution here as you can see. But I actually noticed quite a difference between the two devices, and I noticed that the Z5 is actually much sharper, much more refined, much more crisp, and the colors are much better. And basically the resolution seems better despite being exactly the same. That's what I noticed in my experience, because I've got both the Z3 and the Z5 in my hands, you guys. And here is a picture which I want to compare. Alright, so before I start, I just want to say that I placed both of these phones on the same level of brightness, the highest level of brightness. And you can see on the left, you've got the Z5, Z3 on the right. And you can see that there is a slight difference, and that the Z5 is better. It's sharper, crisper, the color is better. Just you can see everything here. The resolution is slightly better on this than on this. So yeah, we'll do another one. Same thing. You can see a difference. Again, this is a good example. Definitely. So there is definitely a visible difference between the two devices. It's not a huge difference. Like if you were to go from the Z3 or even the Z5 to the S8 or the Samsung S8 Plus or something like that, then you would see quite a significant difference. This is only a small difference, but the difference is still visible, and there is a difference. So to the people who are wondering, is it worth upgrading from the Z3 to the Z5? There's your answer. I personally think it's worth it, but it's up to you. If you don't mind a slightly lower resolution, then it's up to you. Basically, it's the same. It's supposed to be the same. But when you look at it, it's not the same. That's the thing. And I also have to say that we won't be reviewing this now, but in terms of speed, the Z5 is faster as well, and it responds much better and quicker than the Z3. So yeah, I mean, I know that the resolution is something that people were interested in because both of the devices seem to be the same.